Hi there, welcome to Uniguitar. I am Bruno Ferreira, professional classical guitarist, and I will be guiding you through this online course. Before we get to play the guitar, I have to run through some basic concepts that you need to know that will help you understanding what I will be saying while using some specific concepts and terms during this course. So, let's get started. This is the guitar, in this case a classical guitar, which consists in three sections or parts: the head, the neck, and the body, just like a human being. The head of the guitar holds the tuners or pegs, which you will use to tune your guitar on the next lesson. On the neck you see small parallel bars that we call frets. The frets are meant to define the different tones or notes one string can produce whenever you press a string against the fretboard. More on that later. The strings are held in place by the bridge, which is located on top of the sound box, allowing the strings to vibrate and produce this beautiful sound. In order to start learning to play the guitar, we need to give each string numbers and letters or notes. On the bottom you can see the thinnest string, which is string number 1. The thickest string, located on top, is the 6th string. Before we start learning notes on the fretboard, we must know which note each of the strings sounds when played. You might think at first that strings follow the same order as the alphabet, but unfortunately that is not the case. The guitar is tuned with wider intervals of notes between strings, so we are able to have a big range of notes without having to use many strings. So, starting from the top, the 6th string played open sounds the note E. The 5th is an A, the 4th string is a D, the 3rd is a G, the 2nd a B, and the 1st is also an E. But how are we supposed to memorize this? Well, there is a funny saying everyone uses to memorize the strings. Eat another donut, get bigger every time. E, A, D, G, B, E. For many years and centuries, guitarists have given their fingers new names to ease the annotation of indications and also to write tablatures, something we will talk about soon. Basically, the left hand uses numbers from 1 to 4. The thumb has no number, as its only function is to hold the fretboard. The fingers of the right hand are named with letters, and those are the first letter of their Spanish name. Thumb is P, index finger is I, middle finger is M, ring finger is A. This was it, maybe a bit theoretical, but it's done. Now you know all the basic terms you need to get started. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and to see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.